Alright everybody, today we are looking at an installation for ear pads on the Bang & Olufsen H9 third generation. Very important, third generation only of the H9, not the H9 first generation, not the H9i. And also this applies to the HX headphones. Okay, pre-installation we are looking at the back of the ear pad here. You can see there's little plastic pieces here, then a gap, plastic piece, gap, plastic piece, gap, etc. So there's 4 little plastic pieces and 4 little gaps. When you look at the earphone itself, you're going to have the same thing. It's 4, you can see them on the side a little bit better actually. Let's see, there you go, there's a plastic piece right there. And then there's a gap. So, looking right there, you can see them there as well. Okay, removing the ear pads. Super easy. All you're going to do is take your thumb, put it on this metal hinge right here. Take your other fingers here, 2 on the inside, 1 on the outside, and you're just going to, a little bit of pressure here, and you're just going to push kind of this way and pull this way. So it's going to be like that. That comes right off, nice and simple. What you want to do is you want to line up the gap on the ear pad with the plastic piece on the earphone. So if I look here, now obviously you have an L or an R on the ear pad. So you have to actually put the ear pad on kind of on a diagonal and then twist it in place. So you're looking for specifically this little plastic piece here. If you put them down, it's the one to the left. And you're looking for the gap right about there compared, whoops, sorry, wrong. This gap right here, which is at the top left of the L pad, or the R pad, it will be the opposite side. So we're going to line those up, and we're just going to push them in, and then we're just going to twist. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below, or you can email me at info@accessoryhouseglobal.com. Cheers.